If you've got your bends landing in tune, your regular vibrato is sounding controlled, but when you put the two together, it sounds like a bit of a mess, then this video is for you. Hey, it's Owen. In this video, I'm going to show you what it sounds like when vibrato on bends goes wrong, what it sounds like when it goes right, and 3 simple fixes to make it sound musical instead of messy. There's the problem. That note bent up and the vibrato started before the note even arrived anywhere. It went sharp, it went wobbly, and it sounded like at least 2 mistakes happening all at the same time. Now the bend arrived first. The vibrato is controlled and stays below the pitch. Straight away it sounded like it had a real purpose. Fix number 1, hit the bend first. The first fix is really simple. The bend has to arrive at its target pitch before the vibrato starts. A lot of players, and I definitely did this in my early guitar playing days, launch into the vibrato while the bend is still on its way up. What you get is pitch chaos. That note never actually arrived. It just started going up and wobbling on the way. Now that, up, land, settle, and then begin the vibrato. That gap between hitting the target note with your bend and starting the vibrato doesn't have to be long. Even just half a second can make it sound so much more controlled. So fix number 1, bend up to pitch first and then add the vibrato. Fix number 2, the vibrato goes down from the target note, not up. This one catches a lot of people out. On a regular vibrato, you go up and down. But on a bend, you've already used your fingers to get the string up to the pitch. And if you're going to push it further for vibrato, it's going to go sharp, and that's going to sound pretty bad most of the time. That hiccuped. The note arrived and then jumped above where it was supposed to be. The fix is to do the vibrato by dropping below the pitch and returning to it. With that, the target pitch is stable. The vibrato has movement and shape. It sounds like an expression, not an accident. Fix number 2, when you add vibrato to a bend, go down from the pitch and back up. Fix number 3, keep the movement controlled and even. This is the same rule as regular vibrato. But it's trickier to do on a bend because your hand is already working to hold the string at pitch. But when your brain's juggling 2 things at once, things start to get a bit sloppy. Too fast, too random, too nervous. This fix is the same as a regular vibrato. Pick a speed, pick a width, and commit to it. And start slower than you think you need to. A nice, slow, controlled vibrato is 10 times better than a messy, fast one. Control. It doesn't have to be dramatic, it just has to be consistent. So fix number 3, keep the vibrato even. If it sounds rushed, slow it down. So that's the trick with vibrato on bends. You're not just bending the string and shaking it around and hoping for the best. You're bending to pitch first, adding vibrato that drops below the note and back up, and keeping it controlled and even. Do that, and the vibrato on your bends will start sounding expressive instead of accidental. If this helped, hit subscribe for more quick guitar lessons. And if you want some solo breakdowns with the tab, the Solo That Rules playlist is right there. See you in the next one.